Vesper Jones and Marshmallow, written by Karen Hendriks, illustrated by Francesca Corso. Are you ready? Let's take a look.
Gitte!
Vesper Jones snuggled down in bed. She'd made a dream plan with Marshmallow. They both knew what to do. "I'm done with scary things," she said. "Tonight I'll decide who visits our dreams." Vesper Jones flicked off the light with her dream changer in place. She wiggled her toes as her eyelids closed. "Oh no, you're here," whispered Vesper Jones. She'd forgotten to close her dream door.
"We're ready to scare you,"
hissed Scary Things. Vesper Jones and Marshmallow hugged each other tight. Scary Things paraded with terrible claws and horrible roars. "Sneaking into your dreams is fun," they howled. Vesper Jones tried not to cry. "I know what to do," said Marshmallow. Vesper Jones took a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. "I'll send you away," said Vesper Jones.
"We're not scared, not one bit," called Scary Things as they grew bigger.
Vesper Jones searched for the dream changer.
"Remember our plan,"
said Marshmallow. Vesper Jones held her breath. Click! Squeak! A dream window opened, and friendly things floated in and swirled about Vesper's room in a kaleidoscope of colours. Some friendly things rode unicorns, others played silly games. Vesper Jones and Marshmallow high-fived. "I have a dream changer. I can dream anything." Click! Oh no, Vesper Jones' dream became all tangled and mixed up. She let out a tiny cry. Then everything disappeared in a puff of dream dust. Creak! Vesper Jones and Marshmallow trembled as the toy box opened. Toys spilled everywhere. "We're back, and we're not scared, not one bit." Scary Things ramped and stomped like dinosaurs. Vesper Jones tossed and turned until she remembered her secret weapon. "How could I forget? Let it rip," said Marshmallow. "We're not scared, not one bit," yelled Scary Things. Vesper Jones smirked. Click! With a cheeky wink, Vesper Jones blew a supersonic breath. Woo! Woo! Scary Things wailed as they orbited in a flurry of heads and tails and claws. Click! Faster and faster they spun. "We're so dizzy!" they cried. "This is our dream," said Vesper Jones. "And you're not invited." Click! Thousands and thousands of fairy lights twinkled.
"Bright lights," sobbed Scary Things. "Make it dark again."
Click! Scary Things became all tangled and twisted together. Covering their eyes, they fell into a pile. "You're not so scary now," said Vesper Jones.
"We'll play fair," they said, "and be good."
Vesper gave a little laugh. Click! "Come and join the party," said Vesper Jones. "Hip, hip, hooray!" Click! "I'm a dream controller," said Vesper Jones, "and with imagination, my dreams can be anything." Click! I hope you enjoyed this book. Don't forget, be good for Mommy and Daddy. Subscribe and like. Bye-bye.